Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix unexpected error with a login session in League of Legends. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in League of Legends, click on the Create Account option. And from here, you can continue signing in with your Facebook account, your Google account, your Apple account, your Xbox account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, experiencing unexpected errors with the login session in League of Legends can be very frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue, alright? Number one is sometimes a simple restart can fix the temporary connection issues. And again, I need you to go to the League of Legends server status webpage, because from here, you would be able to check that there's no problem with the servers or nothing's like undergoing maintenance or experiencing issues. All right, as you can see, there's no status or events to report. And from there, if it's still not working with you, you might want to go here and do the following. Now, I want you to right-click on the League of Legends shortcut and select Run as Administrator to ensure proper permissions are obeyed. Right? And when you open the League of Legends launcher, click on the gear icon and select Repair to fix any corrupted game files and try to restart your computer as well, and to see if that works and resolve the issue. Otherwise, you might want to temporarily disable your firewall to see if they are blocking the connection, because sometimes firewall is the reason why your League of Legends client is not progressing. Okay, so after doing so, try to disable that temporarily to see if that works. Now, I want you to do the same with your antivirus. Again, like your firewall setting, temporarily disable your antivirus or to see if they are blocking the connection. All right, so it's up to you, whatever antivirus you are using, but right now I'm using Malwarebytes, and I'm gonna disable this for now and to see if the League of Legends client are running smoothly. Otherwise, you might want to go to the Riot Games client, and I need you to hover to the upper right corner of your profile icon, and I want you to sign out. All right, and then after doing so, try to sign in again and to see if that resolves the issue, because sometimes restarting back your Riot Games client fix the temporary bug, and once you've done that, you might want to go here instead again. Now, the next thing that you are going to do if it still does not work out, you might want to open command prompt and open it as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns. After doing so, try to restart your computer and relaunch the Riot Games client to see if the League of Legends is running smoothly. Now, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you might want to consider reaching out to Riot Games support for personalized assistance. Alright, and all you have to do is visit the official Games Riot website or forums for specific troubleshooting steps related to your issue. Of course, you can always go to the Get Tech Help. Right, and by following all these steps, you should be able to resolve the unexpected login session errors in League of Legends and get back to the game smoothly. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.